Take a look at this. One smooth hover effect adds motion, depth, and instantly upgrades the entire card design. Starting with the title, we have Card Hover Fix. Then in the body, we create a card container. Inside it, there's a heading for the title and a paragraph for the description. And finally, we link the HTML to our CSS file using the link tag. Starting with the body, we set a light gray background color. Then we use Flexbox to center everything both horizontally and vertically, with Justify Content and Align Items. We also set the minimum height to 100 viewport height so it fills the screen, remove default margin, and apply a clean Arial font. Next, we style the card. We give it a white background, add padding for spacing, and round the corners with a 12-pixel border radius. The width is set to 300 pixels, and the text is centered. We also add a softbox shadow to create depth and include a transition for smooth animation. Now for the hover effect. When the card is hovered, it moves slightly upward using translateY, and we enhance the shadow with a bright glow to make it stand out. Finally, we style the text. The heading has some bottom margin and a darker color, while the paragraph has no margin and a lighter gray color for contrast. And that's it. A simple card with a smooth hover effect. Clean, modern, and ready to use. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.